Hacker English Academy. Spread the jam. Spread the jam. Fry the fish. Fry the fish. Break the egg. Break the egg. Peel the potatoes. Peel the potatoes. Taste the soup. Taste the soup. Cut the vegetables. Cut the vegetables. Grate the carrot. Grate the carrot. Slice the vegetables. Slice the vegetables. Roast the chicken. Roast the chicken. Add the sugar. Add the sugar. Pour the water. Pour the water. Chop the nuts. Chop the nuts. Melt the butter. Melt the butter. Mix. Mix. Whip the cream. Whip the cream. Boil. Boil.
Barbecue. Barbecue. Stir the risotto. Stir the risotto. Weigh the rice. Weigh the rice. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. Dice the potatoes. Dice the potatoes. Drain the pasta. Drain the pasta. Decorate. Decorate. Tenderize the meat. Tenderize the meat. Rinsed the vegetables. Rinsed the vegetables. Simmer. Simmer. Marinate. Marinate. Bake the bread. Bake the bread.
Grill. Grill. Serve. Serve.